Viewers, we go to the top story we're tracking right now, and that is coming in from Rajkot. We have been getting you top details coming in. Now, many questions are being raised about the standard of the facility. It looks like some SOPs were not followed. Not only that, we are coming to understand that there was no clear fire exit plan. These details are coming out in the front as we're tracking the story from the ground. Officials say that the amusement center was operating without a no objection certificate for fire clearance, and it only had one exit. So these details are coming out on Republic TV, viewers, and the massive fire has claimed the lives of many people, mostly children, at Rajkot's gaming zone. It was caused due to a blast in an air conditioner unit inside the establishment. The police sources state that during the prelim inquiry, it came to the fore that the fire erupted due to the blast in an AC, which spread rapidly and engulfed the entire zone within a matter of time. So those visuals coming in on your screen are showing you what really transpired. You can see there's a lot of panic can be seen. Very, very unfortunate incident coming out in the front. And an SIT has been launched in this case. The CM has announced ex gratia for the victims' families. And the PM Modi has also said that he is deeply upset and saddened by this unfortunate incident which has occurred. Republic is leading the investigation in this case, and we have been getting you top details coming in on Republic. Now, the detailed investigation into this Rajkot TRP gaming zone fire is underway, and Republic Media Network was able to access declaration form signed at Rajkot's gaming center. As per the document access, the TRP go-karts and paintball clearly stated that it is not liable for any injuries, damages, or even if death happens. So back-to-back details coming in, and we have accessed visuals from that incident, which is on your screen right now. Those are the visuals coming in, and the investigation is continuing in this case. The Rajkot collector has said that the fire control room received a call around 4:30 p.m. regarding the place as a game zone. Fire tenders and ambulances rushed to the spot to douse the flames. The fire caused the collapse of the structure, and the debris is being cleared right now. The death toll has climbed to 35. That is a big update coming in right now. We're seeing that Gopi is joining us live. Gopi, death toll has climbed to 35. Initial figures in the morning were 27. And if you could take our viewers through where the investigation is standing at this point of time. One thing definitely coming out: why were safety regulations ignored?
Well, Shivangi, before going to the intricacies of this investigation, I'm standing here right at the spot where the tragic accident had taken place. I would want my VJ to show you. This was the entry gate, and it also happened to be the exit gate, as there was only one gate here. And welding work, some kind of welding work was going around near this gate, and obviously that led to short circuit towards those AC compressors. This is the speculation, and this is the reason why fire had taken place. I would also want my cameraman to pan shots where the debris are being cleared right now. You can see the heap of metal and rubber as well as silicon structure which was made temporarily, and to make sure of these arrangements, we did speak to the fire safety officer, who said that yes, no NOC was signed as per the reports. Another thing, coming to the death toll, we fear that the death toll might rise in coming hours, as the official registration of people who were in the game zone was 78, while there were 48 other staff members present as well at this particular spot. So we fear that the number might rise, and there might be more number of deaths. Now, coming to the DNA report, which we are still awaiting, we will have to wait and watch by evening today. We are expecting the DNA report to be out. Back to you.
Right, Gopi getting us top updates coming in. Gujarat High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of this incident. We have our colleague Jatin who has been on the ground, and Jatin has been getting us all the top details in this story. Let's go ahead and see this report filed by my colleague who gets us the sense from ground zero.